Hello guys, happy Halloween! This place is a must try, that's why I really would love to show you it. How does it look inside? The place is pretty crowded, that's why it's better to go early. Look at this cute ghost. Alright guys, take a look. Welcome to the fairy tale. It's our time to go inside. Are you ready? Let's go! Guys, look at that. I am in the most pinkish place in Kiev. It's called Namelaka. Did you know that this word has Japanese origin from Namelaka, meaning smooth and creamy? It's my first time here. Let's try one of their desserts together. Are you ready? I ordered Napoleon with cherries. Drop a comment and let me know. Do you like cherries as well? You can see it's big, it's beautiful. Let's try it. You can see they have really huge portions, yeah? Wow, it's amazing. Let me try some more. I like it. Very delicious. Amazing dessert. Guys, I guess you would like to know the location, right? So it's near the Tarasa Shevchenko metro station. This cafe confectionery has 2 floors and right now I'm just showing to you the second floor. Let's go together and you'll see it right now. So look the way they decorated everything. You can see here spider webs and I really love the design. It's fabulous, isn't it? So yeah, let's move on and you will see it. So let's go closer. This is a place where you can leave your kids and they can draw. And they even have swings inside. Look at that. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please drop a comment and let me know. Would you like to go to this place and try their amazing desserts?